The Driftsun? Perception or Sea Eagle? Perhaps the Pelican or the Lifetime? Which one should you buy? In this video, I will be looking at the top 5 kayaks for beginners available on the market today and will tell you which one is best for you. As an outdoor enthusiast and mountain biker who loves testing gear, my review is based on quality, features, and value for money, giving you the best advice to help you pedal forward, faster, and further. If you'd like more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best kayaks for beginners. The 5th product on this list is the Sea Eagle 370 Pro. Kayaking is a great sport, but it can be hard to know where to start if you not have much experience. The first step is to get yourself a high-quality kayak so you can get out on the water as soon as possible. This unit is a great option because it's versatile and lightweight. It's inflatable while maintaining a sporty look, and it's integrated with dual fixed skegs, giving you better control and maneuverability to make difficult turns quickly. This inflatable design reduces the weight to around 32 pounds and is recommended for seating up to 3 people because it can comfortably accept a maximum weight capacity of 650 pounds. This allows it to accommodate heavier people who want to paddle upside down in lakes and freshwater reservoirs with less risk of flipping. Moreover, this unit includes 2 movable and delightfully comfortable deluxe kayak seats with improved back support, as well as 2 paddles for dual kayakers. It also includes a carrying bag and a foot pump for quick inflation. Finally, this sporty beginner kayak comes with an NMMA certified repair kit and a rugged hull made of polycrylar, a touch design material that can withstand even sharp dog paws if you decide to bring a furry friend along. Overall, it's ideal for lakes, rivers, bays, ocean surf, and more. Its pros are, its hull is constructed from polycrylar, ensuring that it is resistant to both salt water and the sun, while providing excellent protection from collisions and abrasion. It offers premium 5-inch high seats with protective fabric covering, and its inflatable design can be carried almost anywhere there is water and set up in less than 10 minutes. However, it's a little slow compared to the other kayaks on the list. The Sea Eagle 370 is easy to handle for those of all abilities, thanks to its lightweight design and efficient hull shape. It's ideal for any holiday down by the water. Up next in 4th place is Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100. This unit is ideal for kayaking beginners that like to fish. This 10-foot kayak has a flat bottom, weighs 52 pounds, and has a 31-inch beam. It also provides good stability and a basic set of fishing gear such as 2 6-inch dry storage hatches, bow and stern deck rigging, and 2 flush mount and 1 top mount rod holder. The Lifetime is also very stable. This is because its bottom is wide and flat. Most of the boat's impressive initial stability comes from the fact that it has a large surface area that touches the water. The edges where the bottom meets the kayak sides are also rounded. These rounded edges make the change smoother as it's easier for water to flow under the boat instead of getting stuck on the edge. This part of its design makes it even more stable. What's more, right behind the seat there are 2 built-in rod holders that can hold 2 ready-to-go fishing setups that are easy to reach from the paddler position. Both the seat back and the seat pad are padded and can be adjusted, so you will have a comfortable time fishing out on the lake. Its pros are, it's equipped with flush and top-mounted rod holders for carrying fishing setups, it is very stable and maneuverable despite its size, and it has a flip-resistant hull with a multi-chine hull and integrated skeg to enhance stability and tracking. However, its 275-pound capacity could be a limiting factor for bigger paddlers or those with a lot of equipment. The Lifetime Tamarack is a great option if you're looking for an affordable angler kayak. It's stable and dependable and equally suitable for recreational paddling as it is for fishing. If you haven't found a kayak for beginners that meets your needs yet, well, keep watching because I have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting this channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of my next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Pelican Sentinel 100X. If you're new to the sport, riding an 80-pound kayak probably isn't your idea of fun. But with the Pelican Sentinel 100X, you can get a hard shell case made of high molecular density polyethylene, so it only weighs 40 pounds. This makes it the perfect kayak for people who want to store and move it more easily. This kayak has a storage platform in front and a tank well, both of which have bungee cords. It comes with an ExoShell 3-gallon removable storage compartment that lets you pack everything at home, and then just drop it into the tank well when you get to the water. It also has molded footrests, a bottle holder, and 2 tie-downs for the paddles, so you can use your hands when you need to. The twin-arched multi-chine hull is another great feature. It is very stable and gives you a safe, steady ride. It also makes getting in and out of the kayak very easy. Lastly, should you capsize or take on water, the added scupper holes at the bottom of the kayak help drain any excess water that might get into your watercraft, making it much safer for beginners. Its pros are: it's incredibly lightweight and easy to manage and store. It features multi-chine flat-bottom hull that ensures a stable and secure ride, and it has extra thick cushioning and an extra high and wide padded backrest. However, it doesn't come with an included paddle. The Sentinel 100X from Pelican is a compact and lightweight sit-on-top kayak for beginners looking for a stable, comfortable, and dependable companion that won't break the bank. The second product on this list is the Driftsun Rover 120. If you're a beginner in this type of sport and you're looking for a kayak that's designed for ultimate comfort, then look no further, because the Driftsun Rover 120 is exactly what you're looking for. There are so many reasons why a lot of people choose this one-person kayak. Not only is this inflatable kayak made using an attractive orange and gray pattern, but it also has an ergonomic design. The seats are padded, the back provides excellent support, and there's plenty of room for your feet. When it comes to the paddles, they are made out of durable aluminum and are completely adjustable, so you get the perfect fit. The Rover 120 features a reinforced 1000D PVC construction drop stitch floor, weighs a mere 22 pounds, but still has a 300-pound capacity. Plus, it comes with a removable tracking fin, an EVA foam padded seat, an action camera mount, and a 2-piece aluminum paddle. It's also rated for up to Class 4 rapids, so this unit will stay useful once you've worked up your skill level. What's more is that it features a front and rear rocker profile so that you can maneuver and navigate through calm or rough water with less tracking. Finally, you'll love how easy it is to store, since it's foldable and can fully inflate in just 9 minutes. It's a fantastic kayak for those on road trips looking to get out on the water. Its pros are: it uses reinforced layered PVC construction, allowing the kayak to safely bounce off rocks, logs, and other whitewater obstacles without taking any damage. It is created with a traditional river runner outline, which is how it can handle up to Class 4 rapids, and it has front and rear handles, so you can easily carry your kayak or assist in docking. However, it doesn't have much room for any additional cargo. The Driftsun Rover 120 single-person inflatable kayak is an adventure-ready kayak perfect for thrill seekers and casual paddlers alike. This versatile kayak package performs exceptionally well in both rough whitewater and open flat water. Before reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below this video for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top kayak for beginners is the Perception Pescador Pro 10. In the ocean, rivers, lakes, and ponds, fishermen need boats that are stable, fast, and easy to move around in. And that is just what this unit is made for. This superior fishing kayak has a mesh seat that can hold up to 325 pounds. The boat is made with great skill and has a unique one-piece design that keeps it from leaking. On both ends, there's a place to store fishing gear, a cooler, and other things you might need on the water. Even if it's their first time in a kayak, people who are just starting out can feel comfortable steering this boat. The hull is broad and deep, which makes it very stable and easy to steer in calm waters. Another highlight is that this kayak is seamless and incredibly leak-proof. It also has a replaceable skid plate that keeps the kayak from wearing out too quickly when you drag it. At only 57 pounds, it is very light and easy for one person to carry to the water without help. Even better, this kayak is just over 10 feet long, so it fits easily in the back of most trucks, or can be strapped to the top for easy transport. You will also like that the seat can be lowered for relaxed paddling or raised for optimum casting, and that it is proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA, so you can be sure of its quality. This kayak's stability, maneuverability, and convenient features make it ideal for beginners looking to go on all-day excursions. Its pros are: it features removable Pro Seat features with 2-level seat adjustment and breathable mesh for ultimate all-day comfort on the water or by the campfire. It has a large front and rear open storage with bungee lashings for your cooler, tackle, and other gear. Its whole design keeps you stable on choppy water while also being very maneuverable. And it has an easy replaceable skid plate that lets you drag your kayak without fear of damage. However, the only way to pick it up is with the small side indents, which can make it trickier to move. The Perception Pescador Pro kayak is ideal for intermediate to advanced kayak anglers. The design is excellent and every detail has been clearly articulated, so you will not only be able to paddle comfortably, but you will also have everything you need within easy reach. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If I helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the trails or in the next video.